Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Bobby Joe, the canine chef in training here with another drool-worthy human treat. Today we are making a super easy watermelon slush or slushy. To start off with, you're going to need a watermelon. You want to cut it into bite-sized pieces, and in case you didn't know, us doggies can have watermelon. You just have to make sure the seeds are removed. Although Mom bought a seedless watermelon. I love frozen watermelon. So does my brother Nolan, but my sisters don't, which means there's more for us. My dad also doesn't like watermelon, but my mom loves it. Once you have the watermelon cut into bite-sized pieces, you want to stick them in a freezer bag and place in the freezer for a few hours until it's frozen. You want to take it out of the freezer and share a few of the pieces with your doggies. Get out your blender and place a few frozen pieces into the blender. Mix in a little lime juice and about 1/4 cup of water or lemonade. Blend on high until everything is mixed together. How long it takes depends on your blender. It took us about 2 minutes. If it is still too thick, just add a little more water or lemonade to it until you get it to the desired consistency. If you prefer it a little sweeter, you can add a couple of teaspoons of sugar or stevia to it to sweeten it up. Once it's all blended together, pour it into a glass and enjoy. So there you have it, a super quick and easy watermelon slush that isn't full of sugar, but it tastes just as good. Don't forget to leave us a comment to let us know you stopped by. Check out my Facebook page, and if you make any of our recipes, post a pic on our Facebook page so we can see how it turned out. Stay tuned because we have another drool-worthy human treat coming your way. You don't want to miss it. Until next time, stay safe out there and have a blessed week.